that's it. And we're gonna be using the smell so. Hey friends, hey, it's Monday. Happy Monday. Today I'm going to make a spray using lemon and rosemary. I have purchased my lemons over the weekend, so I'll be using lemon and rosemary, but I'm going to harvest rosemary from my garden. So let's go. I've got my basket. So I've got my basket here and I've got the scissors, my tools. So let's go and do some harvesting right now. Okay, so we're gonna go outside to do the harvesting. I am going to make a just gonna make a little steam for the house and a spray. I'm gonna use the balance to make a spray with my rosemary that I harvested today. I harvested some rosemary and I purchased some lemon and lime, but I'm gonna use the lemon and the rosemary. I'm gonna boil it now, so come on you guys. My granddaughter is here, guys, so you will hear her in the background. Okay? Yeah. So here we go with the lemon. Just going to cut it up. So that's it. And we're going to be using the rosemary. See? Getting it from the basket. Taking it from the basket, yeah? And that is the ingredients we'll be using to boil it and make our spray. So guys, anything we do, we still need to do our little washing, so I'm gonna wash them now. Oh my god, this smells so good, people. It smells good. Really smells good. Very good. It smells so good. Wow. So pop the pot down in there and just drop them in. Well, we turn on the cold water. Oh, it smells good. So nice. Yeah, guys, so that is it. That is it. Wow. Oh, it look good. So I'm gonna put this here and I'm going to use this one. So drop this on the top. Yep. I need to take this well, this so that is it. We're gonna let that boil. Let that boil and the steam from it will go into the house, and then when it cools down I'll use it and put it into a spray bottle with a bit of rosemary oil. You want to be in this house. You want to be in this house. You want to smell this. It smells so good. Jesus. Jesus. Rosemary. Rosemary and lemon, guys. Try it at home. Boil it and let the scent infuse through the home. And then you can use let it cool down, use the water in a spray bottle. Put a bit of rosemary oil in, and you can use it and spray around the whole. Wow! So I'm going to turn it off and then let it soak. Turned off now, and that is it, guys. I'm going to leave it to cool, and then I'll mix some rosemary oil in a bottle with this, and then I can use it as